CarPlay AI boxes enable fast, seamless integration of smart features into vehicles, enhancing navigation, media, and hands-free functionality efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best CarPlay AI box that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Autocast CarPlay AI Box. The Autocast Wireless CarPlay Adapter AI Box E2 transforms your in-car experience, bringing convenience, entertainment, and seamless connectivity to modern vehicles. Designed to convert wired CarPlay and Android Auto to wireless, it supports iPhones running iOS 10 Plus and Android devices with Android 11 Plus, requiring a touchscreen display. Setup is effortless, just plug and play, with no complex configuration needed. Preloaded apps like Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, and Prime Video allow for instant entertainment, while additional apps can be downloaded via Google Play, provided the device is online through car Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, or SIM card. Advanced Bluetooth 5.0 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensure stable, fast connections, automatically pairing devices for hands-free control via Siri, steering wheel buttons, or the touchscreen. Its innovative split-screen functionality lets users run 2 apps simultaneously, such as Netflix alongside Google Maps, with adjustable ratios for maximum convenience. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive lifetime technical support, Autocast AI Box E2 delivers a safer, smarter, and fully connected driving experience. Now our second product is Myototo CarPlay AI Box. The Myototo CB6 Magic AI Box is a game-changer for car infotainment, transforming wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a fully wireless system while adding a full Android platform, no head unit replacement required. This 3-in-1 upgrade supports wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and a complete Android system, enabling apps, video, music, maps, and car tools directly on your existing screen. Built-in 4G LTE, Wi-Fi hotspot support, and Bluetooth tethering ensure reliable, always-on connectivity for entertainment, navigation, and cloud tools, perfect for long drives or family trips. The octa-core processor with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage handles multitasking seamlessly, while integrated GPS tracks routes, geofences, and trip logs. Innovative features like DriveChat AI provide hands-free assistance, low fuel alerts, OBD fault hints, and context-aware reminders, evolving with software updates. Split-screen functionality lets the driver navigate safely while passengers enjoy entertainment. Enhanced thermal design and a Y-cable ensure stable power and smooth performance. CB6 delivers a smarter, more connected, and versatile in-car experience for modern drivers. Our third product is GZPYC CarPlay AI Box. The 2025 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter is a cutting-edge device designed to elevate in-car connectivity and entertainment. Equipped with a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi chip and Bluetooth 5.3, it delivers ultra-low latency, 0.5s, for smooth navigation, hands-free calls, and immersive music streaming, eliminating cable clutter for a cleaner, modern driving experience. Pre-installed YouTube and Netflix turn your vehicle into a multimedia hub, while TF card support up to 512GB enables offline entertainment, perfect for long family trips. Setup is effortless, simply plug into your car's USB port, pair your phone, and the system autosyncs, reconnecting automatically with each drive. The upgraded cooling system ensures reliable performance year-round, handling extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius without freezing, overheating, or crashing. Compatible with most factory-installed CarPlay and Android Auto vehicles, 2015 Plus, supporting iOS 10 Plus and Android 11 Plus, it provides OTA updates for the latest features. Dedicated support with a 12-hour response ensures a hassle-free, fully connected, and enjoyable driving experience. Now number 4, Xiuxx CarPlay AI Box. The Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter is a versatile and high-performance device that transforms your in-car experience. Equipped with an intelligent IC chip and advanced heat dissipation system, it operates reliably in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, ensuring smooth, lag-free performance year-round. Once paired, the adapter automatically reconnects to your phone each time you start your vehicle, delivering a seamless wireless experience. Pre-installed Netflix and YouTube allow direct streaming via hotspot, while TF card support enables offline video playback, perfect for long drives with family. Featuring a 5.8 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi chip and Bluetooth 5.3, it ensures ultra-fast, millisecond-level responsiveness for navigation, hands-free calls, and entertainment, eliminating cable clutter. Plug-and-play installation makes setup effortless, compatible with most vehicles equipped with wired CarPlay or Android Auto, supporting iOS 10 Plus and Android 11 Plus. OTA updates extend compatibility, while 24/7 professional technical support ensures reliable assistance. This adapter is a convenient, lossless upgrade for a smarter, connected, and entertaining driving experience. And our last choice is Wireless CarPlay AI Box. The Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto AI Box is a game changer for modern drivers seeking seamless connectivity without compromising their vehicle's original system. This adapter transforms wired CarPlay into a wireless experience, supporting both iOS and Android devices, so you can access navigation, music, calls, messages, and Siri instantly, no cables, no fuss. Its plug-and-play design ensures effortless first-time setup, while Auto Reconnect guarantees convenience every time you start your car. A standout feature is its integrated support for Netflix, YouTube, and TikTok, delivering entertainment on the go via TF cards or USB drives, though streaming requires a hotspot. The built-in 2.4 GHz Bluetooth and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi chipset ensures stable, lag-free connectivity, minimizing interruptions and avoiding cable wear. Compatible with most factory-installed wired CarPlay models since 2015, it retains original controls, touchscreen, buttons, knobs, and voice commands, offering a fully upgraded, intuitive driving experience without altering the car's interface. In essence, this AI box combines convenience, entertainment, and reliability into a sleek, future-ready CarPlay solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.